Yes, so this is the first opening that we have. A person is looking for cloud web application firewall engineer. Now there are a couple of cloud service provider, GCP, Akamai, which is very famous, F5 is very famous, and Cloudflare. So they are the exactly service on which you need to work. So they want 6 to 10 years of experience, and this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? And the other things which is if you're good have, then probably you'll get more chances of getting job. And this is second thing you can see here, which is going to like compulsory. If you must have, then you will get a job very quickly. Now, this is another job that we have, which is in compliance consultant is within Mumbai. Company name is Paralok, and they are the key requirement you can see, and this is mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Next is Yes Technology is looking for Jets Career Administration, those who can work in Indore, Pune, and Bangalore. 6 to 9 years of experience is required, and this is the notice period. Their key responsibilities, and I just this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. You need to just write this into the subject line, right? Now, next opening is Senior L3 Network Security Engineer, which is in Gurugram. 7 years of experience, which is minimum required for this job role. And the other skills that you it's required, and the other mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Here you can this is what you need to compulsorily mention on the what you say in the mail, and then only you will get a response. Next is someone is looking for DLP migration engineer, which is for infrastructure. This will be a remote job, and the other key skills which is required for this job, right? And this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Now, incident response is something someone is hiring. L3 is very senior, and this is what exactly they are hiring for. 7 to 12 years experience required. This is for the cybersecurity specialist position. HR underscore IT nmconsultant.com is the company name on which you can apply review. That's what we have, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Now you can ask whatever questions you have, right? I'll be very happy to answer.